Hello, today I want to pick this Golpi, which is a 6-pin Japanese pin tumbler lock with quite interesting pins because it has some mushroom spools, some T-pins, as well as some Japanese style Jin pins. It also features two types of counterleaning in the core, the first being an undercut for these Jins and the other one being the overmilling. So let's try to pick its counterclockwise tension. The core is also spring loaded. It has core centering ball bearings on the sides of the core, and they are spring loaded, so it comes back, which makes picking these Jins a little easier. Okay, let's try it. One small click, now counter rotation. We are set. 2 is okay. 3, some scrubbing of the driver on the chamber. We feel some counter rotation. Okay. Let's say it's set for now. Now pin 4. Same thing again. Pin 5. And pin 6. Something dropped, or I have an overset. Okay, let's go to the back. I click out of pin 6. Let's leave it at that for now. One dropped, click. 2 is okay. What about 3? Some counter rotation, good click. 4 dropped all the way. Okay, feels good. Pin 5, scrubbing, counter rotation. Okay, 6, just a click. 6, 5, 4, good click, and rotation of the core. 3, counter rotation, good click, feels set. 1 feels set, 2 feels set. 3, feels good. I think it's 4. Let's start from the back. Okay, let's get a shorter hook all the way to the back. Pin 6. We have some counter rotation. Okay, we have it set, but some other pins dropped, like this 5, counter rotation, and we've got this open. Alright, that wasn't that bad. It's a demanding lock for sure. You have to be quite precise and don't force anything. Just make sure to jiggle just well get a click from the pin, make sure it feels set, go to the next pin, feel if it wants to be set, and go through the old pins until you set them in a particular order they would like to be set, and you get an open. All right. First things first, we're gonna pop this cap off. It would be better with the flathead. I have it in my pocket actually. It's funny. Alright, perfect. Put it here. Start from the first pin. Spring is here. Driver and the key pin. Second chamber, third chamber, the fourth one, the fifth and the sixth. Let's leave it here for now. Arrange these pins. And this one's backwards. All right, let's do it like that. And let's dismantle the rest of the lock. Okay, now we gotta watch out for these bearings that are here and here. Just put fingers like that. I think I'm good. Bearing number 1, spring, bearing number 2 with the spring. Alright, we have it completely dismantled, so let's analyze is it? Let's see the pins first, maybe. What's the pins? The key pins are all pretty much standard. They have these ledges to sit on these ledges in the lock. You can see it now. But they are somewhat easy to overset because they're a bit beveled. But what's interesting about this lock are the drivers. I don't know how to light it well, so you can see it the best. Yeah. As we can see, they are a bit unusual. These here are now normal mushroom spools. 1 1/6. The second one is a T-pin. Slightly tapered, looks like. But these are really cool. Like that. A bit like a spool. Like a normal spool. Spool more than a jean. Because Asa jeans have a smaller head than the body. But these pins here definitely do somewhat get caught in this meaning. I don't know what's the purpose of this part here too well. They all look a bit tapered, beveled. This one's, yes, as well. Okay, let's see the core. Here we have the core. And the features I was talking about before. Maybe like that. That should be okay, actually. Somewhat. You can see here there's a shelf, and from this shelf all the way to this ledge here. Yeah, that's the counter meaning. That's the an undercut. I mean, come on. That's the undercut. And here we have over meaning. Come on, focus. Really? Why do you have to be like that? Okay, we can see the over meaning. So after you just need this another click from pretty much each pin to set all of them. Let's see how it works in practice. it catches, definitely. It catches, then you have to take this out, and then it rests on this shelf here, overwinning shelf, until it can get picked and the lock can open. Alright, I think that was pretty much it. Pretty cool lock, really quite clever to make all of that, because it's really challenging. And it's pretty fun to pick, because it's challenging as well as it's just pleasurable. Alright, I think that's it. Thank you very much for watching. Have a wonderful day, and bye bye.